to get out and get some sunshine, get some fresh fruit. Today is actually the first day in a long time that the sun is out where I live. So yeah, I'm excited to go to the beach, get sunshine. Alright, I'm off to the metro. I just bought some coconut water because hydration during flights is so important. I always find that flying is really, really dehydrating. So yeah. On my way to the airport. So excited. And thank God I checked in from home. So many people waiting. Just bought some water. Alright, I'm just waiting for the flight for all the people to enter the plane. I don't know about you, but I always like to wait till the very last moment, till everyone is already in the plane to go to the place where they check your pass and your boarding pass. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's just a couple more people and then I'm just sliding. Squatting toilet, here we come. I love these so much. Alright, the taxi just dropped me off. And it's raining right now. But I'm so excited to be here. And yeah, this is the kind of travel adventure that I feel like I really needed right now. So I'm excited. My Airbnb host is going to come out in a jiffy. I'm just gonna wait here until that happens. How about a little room tour? We have the bedroom. We have a little mirror. Hello, hello. We have the kitchen, the bathroom. Nothing super fancy, but I like it. And of course, the living room. I actually didn't know that this has 2 rooms. But yeah, I'm only going to be staying here for 2 nights. And then I'm going to continue my journey to another destination. Alright, that's it for this vlog. I hope you had a great time. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and one last thing. The raw vegan bolognese that I had today in the airplane, you can find the recipe in my Flat Tummy Feast cookbook. I'll put a free link where you can download it in the description box. And yeah, it's the world's best raw vegan bolognese. I promise you, you will love it.